Yo, sweet. How do I share this? Okay, cool. Just got the link. What's going on? Oh, okay, sweet. Let me turn this shit off. Give me one sec, guys. Yo, 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 yo. Can y'all hear me? Let me know in the chat. I don't want to hear that. There we go. Perfect. Yes, sir. All right, sweet. All right, let's get everybody up in this bitch. So, these calls, what we to do is we like to do a recap or a market overview. So pretty much with these, what we like to do is we like to look at the market for the week ahead. So let's go ahead and get on into it, guys. Y'all ready? Let's get into it. I don't know what I'm allowed or not allowed to do on YouTube. Um, let's do this. How many people we got on here? We have 43. Wow. 61. Wow, it's lit. Welcome, welcome. Add everyone. Welcome, guys. Where y'all tuning in from? Let me know what city, what country, what state. Let me know where y'all tuning in from. We had a pretty solid week last week. Looking for another one this week. Am I right? Do you feel me? Can y'all feel that? Damn, I look good. I ain't gonna lie. Man, I look good as fuck. Yo, put a 2 in the chat. I'm found playing. Yo, but look good, feel good. Sweet. I have the chat over here on this screen. I'm just gonna adjust the screen a little bit just so I can see chat a little bit more. Sweet. Chat. We got Denton, Texas. The streets. Got a little homo who can't finish his beer. Lay somebody on the call. Sacramento, Leeds, Big Lit, London, UK. Perfect. The Dirty D. Perfect. Canada. Love to hear that. Amazing. How do we sound? Can y'all hear me good? I'm gonna start doing these free sessions on YouTube just so we can build some of the momentum up. Detail. Sweet. Well, gold is looking. Gold is looking like something. Let's clear some of this off. I just got so many drawings. I'm just like, damn, do I want to clear this or not? It's gonna pull up a different gold. Let's go forex.com. See what that's talking about. I mean, from a structural perspective, we got this low that put in this high. on gold. The beautiful thing is when we do these on YouTube, if you miss it, it's all good because you can come back and watch. I'd like to see price come back to this area. I see an imbalance from here to here. I see an imbalance, and I see this last sell to buy candle. So if we can get a move, something along the lines like this, to then go up higher, that'd be a nice little play on this. Oh shit, Joey, what's good, bro? Forget that word you taught me one time, bro. Something with the S, Suki something. Whatever that is, that's you, Joey. Love you, dog. I don't know if you remember. Oh man. All right, yo, let's keep it let's keep it going. Let's go ahead and jump into FX really quick. And we'll start scaling in. But yo, right now, I really like these moves on gold. I think gold could go higher for sure. We got 83 people on the YouTube. That's crazy. Let's go. I'm gonna make a save for YouTube. Big Su Co. Hope I said that right, bro. I'm fucking dead. Yo. All right, guys. Let's get into it. Let me just clear all these drawings. Let's look at where we're at in price right now. So right now, I really like this zone. Last week we were trading a lot of EA and GA. We got some really good moves off of them. It looks like this is a solidified high, and we've put in another solidified high. It looks like on the lower time frame, we've created some type of distribution schematic. I'm sorry, pardon my error, but we are forming some type of distribution schematic. So what I'm thinking in that sense is what you guys want to take away from Wyckoff specifically is not necessarily that it is a chart pattern, but more so it's not necessarily a chart pattern, but it's something to just look at the overall market on, right? So we could say we've had a climax, right? We made a climax test. We've had an up thrust, and then we've had tests after that, right? So it's usually 1, 2, 3, and then the test is where you start really getting in. So from our perspective, we can kind of say that we're having somewhat of a schematic. We made a new low. We've had some internal breaks of structure. So, that shit could honestly look really good. And, what I'd like to see from there is I'd like to see price pull back and go lower. But right now, all we're really going to be waiting on, simply put, is price has gone down pretty fast in the sense of momentum. One thing that we like to trade is momentum. So if we look at these big moves, price went down in 3 days, 4 hours, but it retraced back up to the high. It took roughly give me 1 sec. I'm live streaming on YouTube. Let's continue. All right, so we had 7 days of pullbacks, momentum to the downside. We had 1 hour or whatever, and then this pullback into this range took us how long? Took us, it says one day. Oh, here it goes. 8 days and 11 hours. So overall, we could probably, once we start seeing some structure breaks, once we start seeing some solidified structure breaks, any pullback, a premium pullback into this level to go lower could be so sick. So this is like an overall bias on what I'd like to see. Um, I remember now why I like your trading style. Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate that. This is kind of like a bias of what we'd like to see. The key thing is what I'd like to see. There's no guarantee that this is what the market's going to do or not. It's just, this depends. All right, that's really all I'm seeing on AUDUSD. But really, before I go on with that, I want to look at XY. Say something about Forex and Punjabi. I mean, what do you want me to say? Forex trade karo. Boom. There you go. All right. So we had this imbalance drawn out way back when. We've triggered into it. We haven't necessarily broke structure, but this is a good kind of liquidity grab. If we do start breaking these structure points here, any pullback could just take us higher. Even if we break this low, this looks like there's liquidity resting below it. In my eyes, this looks like a smart money trap on the DXY. This looks like a trap. I don't know if y'all ever watched any of those card games back in the day. That shit's a fucking trap. But yo, pull back into here would be the optimal area, grab liquidity and go higher. I mean, overall, we've had very, very fast, big moves to the upside, like very fast, inefficient moves to the upside. What I mean by that is we have big gaps. I mean, this is corrected, but overall, this, whether it's an ABC or one just straight wave from this relative low to this relative high, this is a pullback to take us higher overall. So that's what I would like to see. Could I be wrong? Yeah. Am I wrong? Who the fuck knows? Can you please stay focused and put your phone on DND one session? Thank you, sir. Really fun to be training. Yeah, man, I got you, bro. Sorry. I hope you don't write me up, man. Hope I don't get kicked off of this shit because I'm on my phone. I got you though, bro. I got you. We gonna be locked in. Just don't be mad at me. Yo, so we talked about this move on NAS last week. We talked about rejecting off the low and putting in a new high. Just in the sense of the wave, this is our overall swing that we made. The thing I do like about this is we had divergence kind of confirming this pullback. So now any type of deeper level of retracement will take us higher. Yeah, fucking compliance, dog. Man, fuck that shit. I decided to do YouTube because I feel like Zoom is cool, but you got to be more plugged into the community type shit. And it's not to say that people aren't. It's just I was actually with my friend Romeo. Rome, I don't know if you're on the call, but I was literally just drinking a beer with Rome and my boy Lath. I don't know if either one of y'all are here. I saw Lath earlier. I ain't gonna lie, but overall, um, what do you call it? No, he's cool, bro. Like at the end of the day, I'm gonna be honest. If someone's taking the time out of their day to watch me, like who the fuck am I? So like, yo, he's right. I should be More in tune, man. I ain't gonna lie. It's his time too. It's not just mine. It's y'all's too. So I feel that. I'll be more here. I just um I just, I'm just not trying to get distracted. It's just you get so distracted so quick. Somebody says don't say compliance triggers my PTSD. Triggers yours, mine, Joey's, everyone else too. Yo guys, I'm gonna do a Q&A towards the end if that's cool. Just because um some of y'all are asking some good questions, but then I'm gonna get sidetracked. But somewhere in here it looks good. I mean, I just want to see a deeper pullback. Let's scale down really quick. There's not really any imbalances here. I mean, I'm just gonna look and wait and see. I mean, right now price is starting to give some divergence right here. Let's see if it could push lower. We'll look at it. But I mean, bro, it's Sunday. Market just opened. There's not really shit to look at right now at this specific second or moment. I will talk about our flip group though. If you guys aren't aware of the flip group, we're absolutely crushing it in the flip group. Flip group results are insane. If you've seen our last or our most recent Instagram post, flip group is going nutty. This could be something. Yeah, this is it. This is it, Chief. Sweet. Look what we found. This is the shit you don't get when you pay these guys $5,000 for a 3-day boot camp to learn support and resistance. So right now we have this area at the 78.6. This is where the real imbalance truly lies on Euro GBP. Oh, that looks so good. Wow, that looks perfect. This is a nice setup. Swing low to swing high. Settings, style. It's about 79 pips. Thing about Euro GBPs, it doesn't move that much in the sense of pips. I really like this though. This is kind of sexy. It's like a deep premium. Actually, I'm sorry. It's a deep discount potential to buy. So, the goal with this would be to come on downtown, buy the discount, and then ride it on up. There's a sell to buy move here, or buy to sell move there, followed with a fat ass imbalance. It hasn't been mitigated yet. Just listen and appreciate it. Blah, blah, blah. How do you think someone should approach a prop firm account form of risk management? Joey, I got you, bro. No issue. I know a girl that charges 1,000 for trend lines. Who's that? I don't know anybody trading with trend lines. Huh? I'm on a live. Can I talk to you after? Man, with 87 people, man, I love this shit. So cool. It's not like this is more than what our Zooms are usually at, but it's just like it's cool because we're on YouTube, you know. Euro CHF, I don't see nothing I like. Euro CAD, I think we could see price come up here into this area. I would say if you're in a buy, try to buy it up. I don't trade this shit, to be honest. Whoa, it's a lot of right here. You guys, I'm hiding it, but man, if I tell you, I just recorded the whole new course. This is just like a little bit of the content. I'm just gonna delete it off the chart. That was like a little bit of some of the stuff I was teaching, but I was teaching the concepts and the theory and like the history of how price really moves. But yo, so factor this in. You have a rejection off of here. We haven't necessarily broken structure yet, but if you get that break of structure, pull back up into this range to go lower. Same thing as AUD USD, right? Same thing, same thing, same thing. I'm actually going to start trading futures this week. I don't know if any of y'all trade futures. I'm actually going to start trading futures this week. Euro NZD, we got a nice structure break. Lower low, lower high, lowest low. This is a this is a fuck. This is your ideal setup. Let's not bully anybody, guys. We don't gotta bully nobody. Whoops, there's liquidity. There is our LQG. Not to get confused with LGBTQG, whatever the fuck that is, right? Not to get confused with that. Liquidity grab, not nothing else, guys. Liquidity grab, right? So we got our liquidity grab. And then we have just overall BOS, 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 change of character, whatever you guys want to call that. Damn, is this working? Hey guys, is the chat working? Can somebody say something in the chat? I think my screen is frozen. I'm going to get to US 30 and oil and all that here in a second. Cool. All right, sweet. My bad. I just wanted to make sure. All right, cool. So, jokes aside, I don't want to. I be talking a lot of shit, and then I get off on a tangent, and then that's what happens. Oh man, this candle right here is by far the most optimal place to take an entry. Just right here, and that's also lines up with the 78.6 stop right here at the low. It's about 23 pips. TP just coming back to that week high, to 1 to 3.7. I'm sure there's more upside liquidity targets. I mean, there's more liquidity just resting right here above these highs. So, I mean, there's a lot of money just sitting right there. So we could just put liquidity here and we could just target that. I mean, we could even try to go for this. We margin out majority of our position. Fuck, right here at the 100%. But we're gonna keep going. What am I on? I'm on euros. I haven't gotten to the GBPs yet. And y'all gotta calm down, man. We're going as fast as possible. You gotta chill out, man. Sit back, crack a beer. Can you drink beer on YouTube? I don't know anything about Lambo Raul or his thing. I like his cars. I hope he likes my cars. But I never talked to him or met him. I like his cars. Can you drink beer on YouTube? Is that possible? Should we crack one, boys? I'm gonna be the Nelk dude of trading. Nah, I'm not gonna do none of that. I'm just talking shit. All right, we're gonna get to I could explain back testing to you for a little bit towards the end. Let me just forward test what I want to look at. All right, that looks like shit. Text. Sweet. In our premium chat, we talked about this, and in the flip group, we talked about buying off of this range. Last week, we were fucking it up, man. We man, I don't know if you've seen the post I made. We took it to here, we sold it down to here, we bought up to here, back to down to here, back up to here. I didn't personally get into this one, but we were crushing it. To be honest, it's really simple. Just look at this overall zone here. That's really all you got to do. Just look at, oh, that's so ugly. Freak. There we go. There we go. Looks a little prettier. down here to go higher. There you go. That's your move. Ever heard of Alex Do you? No. Before I joined you, FX Alex G hit me up. I mean, I don't know any of these guys personally, so I don't want to talk shit about them. Um, I think they do really good at marketing. I'll say that. I don't know nothing about them trading, trading industry. It's hard to say what's what, whatever, between prop firms and this and that and blah blah blah, whatever. But I think marketing, they do really good marketing. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. I'm gonna learn how to like properly do a stream because I would love to hear. Uh. Okay, I understand. For a heat streak during the Super Bowl. I mean, yeah, you got to think he probably got hella people to sign up for his course after he did the Super Bowl thing. He easily got so many signups. It's probably worth whatever amount of money that he probably got fined for doing so. At least I think. What do I know? Do you know FX? I don't know. I don't know who that is. But yo, I love all these guys marketing. They do it really good. Um, I think they all do really great marketing. I would like to implement or duplicate some of the marketing. I wouldn't do the Super Bowl thing. I think it's cool he did it, but I wouldn't do it. But I'm glad he did it. Yeah, that'd be cool. Thank you. Yeah, no, I think they all do like genius marketing. But I also don't want to just show my Lambo all day long either. But I'm not saying in a negative way. I'm not saying that that's all they do. I'm saying like I don't know. I just see a lot of people just showing their Lambo all day long. And it's just like we could do the same thing. I mean, Joey could do the same thing too. But you know, it's just like it's like showing trades is more the way. Thank you. Appreciate you. Can you close that please? The door? All right, cheers guys. It's apple juice. Cheers. Cheers to apple juice. Apple juice on our streams, keeping it PG-13. Apple juice. Oh wow, why is this following this? This is crazy. Yeah, real substance over hype is a good way to look at it, brother. I see GJ something like this. Yep, apple juice. So good. So originally, guys, we caught a really nasty buy on GA last week, lower time frame right here. Off of a news move, price came back to our entry, and I mean, we had already been up like 70 plus pips, but came back. We partialed out after that week high break. We broke this week high here. So after that, we partialed out, but we talked about once again another type of accumulation. This week, if we can take this a little lower, I would say somewhere up in this joint here, I would be willing to take it higher up into here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick an alert on this bitch. Make it rain in this bitch. I'll make it snow in this bitch. I don't know Alex Doe, John Doe. I don't know any of these people. We got 91 people. All right, cool. I'm gonna start moving it a little bit faster. So GN, same thing. Accumulation, really good trades. GN, really good accumulation schematic. Let's start scrolling our way down to the lower time frame. Let's find where we want to find the specific move we're looking for. I mean, overall, it's right here. We can go, we can scale in, we can scale up, we can scale down, we can do whatever we want to do. Overall, this is the lowest low. This is the moves that created that low. Even this pie right here, we have easily changed directions on all these moves. I don't know why people say so many fucking names, change a character, change a direction, change this, change of momentum, shift of blah, blah. It's all to sell you whatever bullshit they're trying to sell you. Honestly, it's just a change of structure. Structure was down. It was breaking structure down. Now we change structure up. So pull back into this area to go higher. Could be really dope. Let's just look for an area to target liquidity wise. These highs. Boom. The trade. 1 to 7. Thank me later. Can you invite John Phibb to your session or Jordan or Zach? I don't know John Phibb, and I don't know why he pressed me one time for one of my reels. I don't know the kid. I've never watched any of his content. Never met him in person. I don't have nothing against him, but you know, I don't know. And Jordan, I love Jordan. I'll ask if he wants to get on. He might have a compliance issue though, right? Zach, if he wants to, I will. I'm down to do this with anybody. I don't give a fuck. What do you think about buying under the daily open? I don't know what you're talking about. Omar de la Paz. If I said that right. All right, yo. Here's what you guys want. Oil. So last week we talked about oil. We talked about this smart money trap. We ended up buying oil right here at the wick of this low. We caught 70 pips before it came back and broke even on that position. It ended up being an overall trap, but if we go to the lower time frame, we have a nice area to catch a sell from now. If you're trading oil, this is going to be the new area where you're going to be trying to sell. This is a 15-minute time frame. Not you, but this is what I'm going to be looking to do, right? This is all not financial advice. This is all just me talking about whatever. You said John Phibb is not a kid. Well, a kid is it's like a I don't know what the word is, pronoun, noun, whatever, person, place, thing. I don't know the guy. And honestly, I don't really I don't want to bring people on that I don't know. I'll bring Jordan on if he wants to get on, but I don't know this other guy. Never met him, never talked to him, never watched him. And no disrespect either. Like I'm sure he's a cool dude. I don't know. I don't got nothing to do with him. Yo, so last week we talked about these NAS cells. These NAS cells came in really clutch because these NAS cells came in really clutch just because of still in these hoes, to be honest. Came in clutch because of this divergence. I don't know if y'all can see this. Came in clutch because of the divergence. So I actually held this throughout the weekend just because it was such a good trade. The shit came close to breaking me even right here, but my entry was like right here. So it came back and almost broke us even, but still going down. This is the thing is on NAS. If we look at it, NAS spiked the highs, it grabbed the liquidity, and I mean this is the way I look at it. We have a mitigation down here on NAS, and then we just grab liquidity here on NAS. If we look at the futures contracts, this is the Nasdaq futures. This looks drastically different. I'm looking at the wrong one. Let me go back. Hold on. Fuck. I just like lost where I was at. Hold on. All right, sweet. Same thing. I don't know why this looks so different. That's weird. Long story short, mitigation of the low, liquidity grab at the high, scale back into the lower time frames. It's kind of where we're sitting. If we go back to NAS 100 in the sense of how you trade it via, let's say, like any of your Forex brokers, there's a lot of, what do you call this? Divergence. Change color. There's a lot of divergence. I would love to see this go down from a technical perspective, maybe to down here. This would be my ideal area. I would love to just buy here and then just try to hold this bitch for forever. At least till like November time. I mean, it really just depends, recession, whatever. I mean, right now you got this big move that happened because of stocks like Nvidia, right? Same thing with US 30. You have this big move because of that. US 30 has the same divergence to go lower, but it hasn't necessarily broken structure yet. So, I mean, maybe if it pulls back, it can go lower, but you know, you definitely want to wait for those confirmations. I don't know who Matthew is. Matthew who? I guess that would be cool. I like this candle on US 30, but to be honest, I only trade NAS. I trade NAS on the 5 and the 15 minute in that specific New York session window. And those are the types of trades that I look for. So, I mean, to be honest, I mean, that's kind of that. Mm, these look like they've accumulated too. I keep fucking up distribution. These looks like they've distributed. Pull back to go lower for sure on NZD JPY. JPYs look solid. USD CAD. We had this buy on USD CAD and it corrected for a while before it finally broke structure. Looks like we mitigated something down here because we didn't technically break this low. Now it looks like price is going up. If it pulls back into this deep area right here, I think it would be worth taking a poke at it if you want to poke it. No problem, Joey. Appreciate you, my G. You know, it's just thing about NAS is I feel like you got to mark up NAS and US 30 like during the session because trading on the higher time frame is just like I'm not gonna say it's hard, but it's just like this thing moves so much. So you gotta like I feel like I don't when I'm trading this, I look at the lower time frame, like 15 in the 5 minute. Not really 1 minute so much, but really 15 in the five. Mostly the five. Five is really where it's at with NAS, to be honest. Like the five is really where it is at. It's, it's like just a solid area to trade off of. Oh, Thayer. I mean, I'm friends with him. I mean, I don't know if he trades forex. I think he trades options or something. I don't know. But yo, we've been on here for 40 plus minutes. If you have any questions or anything, you know, feel free to ask. I'm pretty much I'm pretty much done on this, to be honest. That's it. If you missed it, it's all good. Just come back, watch the YouTube live, whatever. But I mean, to be honest, if there's anything in regards to it, gonna switch up the flow real quick. I got a brown hat. Switch it up real quick. Head ass. Yo, jokes aside, if there's anything that any questions or whatever you guys have, I'll answer them for a few minutes. Confirm what I had. Appreciate you on the insight for the week. No problem, man. What would you do if you're trying to date a Punjabi girl and she asks if you're Jat? I mean, are you a Jat? If not, I mean, I don't know. I've never dealt with that. I like Spanish girls. I don't know how to help you, brother. What was the car on the gram? That was a Lamborghini. It was a Lamborghini. Um, it was a. I keep losing my track of thought. It was a Ventador. It was an Aventador. Da, 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 da. Um, well, what we're gonna be doing is we're more than likely gonna be releasing our old course for free on YouTube. We might stagger it out because it's like 5 chapters. So we might like slowly release one chapter at a time of the old course, but our new premium course is going live. Um, Yo, what we realized was so right now we're doing a flip group challenge. In the flip group, so Kim, I see your question. You said you thought we were going to 10K. Well, the thing is we have some people that are at like 6, 7, 8K, and then we have some people that are at like 2 or 3K. The account that we're trading is right around 6 or 7K as well. So in regards to it, it's just like the challenge for some people is almost done. And it's just like, yo, if you miss some trades, whatever the case may be, it's all good. But yo, if you want to join the flip group, in the flip group, what we did, let me see if I can share my Discord. Share screen, window, Discord, share. Can y'all see this? Can y'all see Discord right now? Are y'all seeing the Discord or no? Let me know in the chat. All right. I don't know how to use YouTube, to be honest. I'm just going to show you on this. So in the Discord, damn, that's fucked. Hold on. Yo, can y'all see that? Yo, so on the Discord, you guys can see all these people. I'm just gonna scroll through. So all these people, they started off with $400 accounts, and I don't know if you guys can see where they're at or whatever. I'm trying to share the screen, but it's not working. You got people making 1,900. Everyone's making money. I'm just gonna scroll through. You guys can see. You guys can see. If not, sucks to suck. People almost at like I don't know, like $800 days, like whatever. Everyone started with $400 and we help them grow. We have people that are up $1,000. We have people that are up thousands and thousands. We got people that are up 5 racks, 6 racks, 7 racks, 8 racks, whatever. Like this is the homie Mike. He's up 3 racks in this picture. He sent me a picture. He's up like 6 racks now. But overall, what we did is we started a group where you could trade with us, and we teach you how to flip your account. If you want to enroll in that, just send us a DM on Instagram. So it's TradeStar Strategies, and then go to the Instagram page, or go to my page and then go to TradeStar. It's in the bio, whatever, right? And then we're gonna trade and we're gonna do the thing. We're gonna help you guys with whatever we got to do. But overall, can we still join phase 2 even if we're under 3K? Yeah, I mean, DeAndre said some stuff in the chat. I mean, we're gonna finalize something today or tomorrow, and then come up with an idea on what it is that we want to do. Just because there's so many people that want to join the chat, but if we add new people to the original chat, we're already so far ahead, and we're trying to just figure out what we want to do. Because I think it's a great way to help new people come into the TradeStar community, and helping them by making some free money before they join like our premium group or one of our courses or whatever the case may be. But yo, with that being said, guys, I appreciate we started a month ago. So we started a month ago. Almost everyone's around $2,000 on average from what we've seen. And then if you go to my Instagram, just watch the video, my most recent Instagram post. Just watch that, and then just tap in. But yo, with that being said, for those of you that are in the premium, I'll see you guys in the morning on the Zoom call. And appreciate y'all. Love y'all. I hope you guys like these YouTubes. If you guys like the YouTube lives, we'll just start running them. So hope you enjoyed this weekly Outlook call. Cheers with the apple juice. And y'all have a good one. Peace.